This 4-part video series provides an in-depth introduction to the new intent-driven design workflow inside of Fusion. We will explore each of the various design modes to clarify their specific use cases. Fusion has long supported both internal and external component modeling workflows. Users transitioning from traditional CAD systems such as SolidWorks or Creo typically gravitate toward an external component workflow, while new Fusion users often adopt an internal or hybrid modeling approach. So which one should you use, and is one better than the other? Fusion has simplified this process by introducing intent-driven design. Intent-driven design begins with a fundamental question. Are you designing a part or an assembly? Your answer determines the modeling environment and the available tools. If you start by designing a part, Fusion streamlines the interface to display only part creation tools. Assembly commands are removed to eliminate confusion, such as whether to create a body or a component. After completing the part, you can add it to a new or existing assembly. This bottom-up workflow is ideal when parts must remain independent, reused across multiple assemblies, or updated without impacting the entire system. It supports controlled change management and is well suited for complex, multi-assembly product structures. Or, if you started with an assembly design, you'll notice that the user interface shows only assembly-type commands like insert, joints, and constrain components. This environment enables you to structure assemblies, create new components or subassemblies, and define mechanical relationships. Edit in place allows you to reference geometry and modify components directly within the assembly context, supporting efficient top-down development. Hybrid mode mirrors Fusion's traditional workflow, allowing internal and external components to coexist in a single design. Both part and assembly commands remain available, making this mode ideal for rapid concept development, iterative exploration, or early-stage design when flexibility is critical. Fusion enables seamless transitions between modeling approaches. You can convert standalone parts into hybrid designs, evolve hybrid models into fully structured assemblies, or insert individual parts into an existing assembly as the project matures. This adaptability supports evolving design requirements without forcing rework. Intent-driven design streamlines the entire product development process. It helps teams choose the right modeling strategy from the start, adapt as requirements change, and scale designs from concept through production with fewer issues. The result is faster iteration, improved structure, and higher confidence throughout the whole design lifecycle. The following videos will examine each intent-driven design mode in detail and demonstrate practical use cases.